Hello and welcome to the MSTAR training session to enter cash vouchers across account heads. To begin with creating these cash vouchers, ensure that account heads and the sub-account heads are defined. Let us see the steps to enter cash vouchers. Click on the button MSTAR and select Module Financials. The name of the module appears in the main screen, which means that you're now working in the finance module. Click on the button Activities and select the screen voucher. As the screen opens, by default in the cash section, payment voucher is selected. In case you want to create a cash payment voucher, then retain this option. In case you want to enter a cash receipt voucher, then click on the circle next to the receipt voucher and highlight it. So within this cash section, we can create both cash payment voucher or cash receipt voucher. After selecting the voucher option, whether cash payment or cash receipt voucher is to be created, click on the box next to the book of accounts field and select the book of account against which the voucher needs to be created. Ensure that for the book of account, a cash account head is created in the account heads, because that is what appears by default in the field cash code after we select the book of account. So as we select the book of account, the cash code automatically shows the account head which is made with the cash as account type. The transaction date appears by default as the current date and if required can be updated. The prepared date of the voucher also shows as the current date and again can be updated if required. Next, click on the box next to the narration text and enter the narration for the voucher. Maximum 250 characters can be entered in this field and both text and numbers can be entered. All special characters are allowed in this field and this is a mandatory field for saving the voucher. After this, click on the Add button and a new row gets added. Click on the box in the column account head and it will display the list of all the account heads defined. If the account head has a sub account head created, then click on the sub account head description box and the list of all the sub account heads also appear. Select the sub account head as required. Enter the amount for the voucher and as you enter the amount, the total amount of the voucher is displayed at the bottom. In case more account heads needs to be added, click on the Add button and select any other account or sub account head. Update the amount. After entering these details, click on the Save button to save the voucher. As you save the voucher, the transaction number is given automatically and the data saving confirmation message is received. Click OK on the confirmation message and let us see the voucher that we just created. Select the book of account again. Click on the Find button. Select the book of account. Select the voucher status and click on button Go and it will display the list of vouchers saved from the screen. Click on the voucher and the details will appear in the main screen. Click on the Clear button to clear the screen and repeat these steps to create any more cash payment or cash receipt voucher. The process for creating a cash payment voucher or cash receipt voucher will remain same. For any account, if the sub-account head is not created, then you need not select the sub-account description. The vouchers once created from the screen become available for the approval and only after voucher approval they get reflected in various reports. Let us see another voucher creation. So again, select the book of accounts. Let the transaction date be the current date and enter a narration. Click on the button Add, select the account head, and because in this account head there are no sub account heads, so even if we click on the sub account head description, there are no sub account heads for selection. After selecting this, click on the box below the amount and enter the amount as required. Click on button Save to save the voucher, and the voucher is saved as transaction 2. Now again let us select the book of account, click on Find button, select the book of account in the new window search and click on button Go. So it is showing us all the vouchers. We can filter these vouchers based on date from and date to range, and on clicking on Go, it will display the vouchers created between the selected dates. We can also filter these results based on whether the vouchers are pending or approved. If we click on pending, then all the pending vouchers which are pending for approval will get displayed, whereas if we click on approved, then only the approved vouchers will get displayed. So we see the two vouchers that we just created. Click on one of the vouchers and it will display in the screen. There is another way to navigate between the vouchers within the same book of account. For that, click on the double arrow button forward and it will take you to the next voucher, or back button to go back to the previous voucher within the same book of account. Click on the clear button and clear the screen and repeat these steps to create more vouchers for cash payment or cash receipt as required. The vouchers once saved from the screen are available for approval, and only once the vouchers are approved, they get reflected in day books or statutory reports. Once a voucher is created, it cannot be deleted, though you can update the voucher before it is approved. Thank you for watching this video.